Riu kambuni iria ciothe ikoretwo ikihanda miti ya minyua maai kaunti-ini ya Murang'a citigũkorwo igithii na mbere na kuhanda miti ino kuona ni ikoretwo igituma njuui ciao ihwe. Makiaria thoko-ini ya ciumbu mwena wa Makuyu, murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ino Sabina Chege nioritie kambuni ici gukorwo ikihanda miti itegukorwo igithukagia maria maturigicĩirie.
Requesting for alternative plantation of other trees and not the eucalyptus. And we will be raising this formally as a county because we don't want the issue of deforestation, the issue of water levels going down to affect us because of the eucalyptus tree.
Imwe cia kambuni ici ni Kakuzi na kuria riu mwena wa Makuyu ugite na umu muingi ni undu wa miti ino na gucungiriria wagi wa irio o undu umwe na maai.
Matige kuhanda miti ya minyua maai guku tondikio guku gwitu kwagite maai kana ti andu aitu.
Ihinda-ini o riu murugamiriri wa gikundi kia athomi kuuma Murang'a Engineer Anthony Mwangi na Dagitari Francis Muraya ni moritie andu kuhanda miti iria ibatie niguo gicigo giki gikorwo gigikura makiria.
If all of you can plant a tree like Mama County has come here to do, we have an opportunity to change the environment.
If you plant trees, we know of course the benefits that we get from the trees.
Utemi wa miti na uthukagia wa maria maturigicĩirie niguo koretwo gicungiriria ng'aragu o undu umwe na wagi wa maai. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.